Hello everybody, thank you guys for stopping by. My name is Tyler. I am joined by Regina, our 1998 International 3800 Amtran school bus that we plan to renovate and turn into an RV. If you guys are new around here and looking to follow any of our projects on the bus or our travels in the future, definitely subscribe below. Hit the notification bell to stay updated on what we got going. Today's project consists of removing the windows. I've already removed one of them, so I have kind of an idea on how to do it, but I'll walk you guys through, if you're in this step of your bus build, how to remove the windows, and hopefully we can tackle just about all of them on our bus. We plan to reinstall some of them, but we're going to rip out the old sealant that's been there for almost 25 years and get some of the new sealant in. So let's make this quick and easy. To start, you guys can see this little circle here. There are these metal almost washers that are here, and then they're screwed in. There's going to be 4 of them on each window. And then once you get those off, you can start ripping out the sealant. So we're gonna go to the outside of the bus and tackle how to do that. Now you're gonna want some sort of step stool to do this, obviously, because the windows are up and your shoulders are gonna get real tired if you're trying to break the sealant from below. Ours has a nasty paint job on it, and they've painted right over everything, so that we have kind of an additional degree of difficulty. But you're kind of just trying to cut or slice out this sealant that's in the 2 cracks down the side, and there's 1 crack on the bottom with sealant in it. And there's a little bit of sealant up top too, so all 4 sides really, and then you should just be able to pop the window right out. So I did this first window with a flathead screwdriver and a mallet. I'm gonna start this one out this way, but I've gotten some recommendations to use like a paint scraping tool, and we'll see how that works. I can already see the window starting to pull away. Try not to bend this outer, I don't know if it's like an aluminum, but it's pretty malleable material, so try your best not to bend that too much. And it's already starting to go. It might help to have 2 people, so you've got someone on the inside to catch it, but we're a one-man team today, so let's see if we can't just push it out. And there we go. There's the window out. Took all of maybe 2 minutes. Depending on how old your bus is, you're gonna have some gunk that's kind of almost welded itself onto the window. But ours is 25 years old, and that stuff came out pretty easy. As you can see, it's nice and dry and cracked. So the big job is gonna be cleaning everything, smoothing out the surfaces, and then resealing the windows and getting them back in. Now that we know how to do it, I'm just gonna speed through the rest of the 8 windows that we have. Now, one thing to note specifically about the emergency exit windows is they do have some electrical running to the windows. If you just remove the windows, chances are every time you turn on your bus, you're gonna get a blaring alarm. So we have some other videos that are kind of similar to that, like removing the rear emergency exit interlock system. It's pretty similar to disabling the electric on the emergency exit window. So make sure you get the electrical taken care of before you start tearing those emergency exit windows out. That's one side down. One more side to go, about 4 windows. So, our rear window on this side and our front window on this side still have some screws in them, and I do not have a drill out here that's strong enough to get them out. They're old screws. There's a little bit of rust in there, but that's pretty much how this all goes. I'm gonna go get some lunch and then come back and tackle those. I mean, it's pretty easy to get these windows out. It took me maybe 20 minutes to do, let's see, I did 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I did 7 windows. and if I didn't have to go back in and get a drill, I could have done 9 windows. So real quick and easy job. If you're questioning whether or not you want to take out your original windows of your skoolie, absolutely take them out. Sealing them so that you don't deal with any leaking in the future is going to be such a good peace of mind thing, but it's also going to save your bus for long-term use. You're not going to deal with nearly as much rust issues, water leaking in, mold, all that kind of stuff, rotting wood. So definitely take advantage of how easy this job is. Cleaning them up and restoring them to their original glory is going to be the difficult part, but we'll tackle that in the future. So thank you guys so much for stopping by. Hopefully you enjoyed this or found it helpful. If you want to follow any more of our projects in the future, transforming Regina into a tiny home on wheels, definitely subscribe below. And obviously we're going to be posting some of our adventures once we do get on the road onto this channel. So thank you guys for watching. Subscribe, like, and we will see you in the next one.